Hi guys, a new site today. Sorry, I'm a little late today because I was drunk last night. But yeah, this is a testament, right? I'm trying to put out at least one video a day, no matter what happens. So today it's on OneDrive. We're just going to see what happens with this because it has always paid me well, especially on Bing. If you are targeting tech niche, this is a great suggestion for you to enter. And what I did was I went to keyword shift this time. Instead of how to wildcard, I simply searched for questions for OneDrive. And then it came up with 2272 queries or keywords. And then I clicked on get all SERPs. So what that does is it will basically cluster these keywords. How does OneDrive work or how does OneDrive works? It's one of the same thing. So it has actually removed both of these. So this is the updated list. We have 492 unique articles that we can do in OneDrive. You can also use this tool to cover more keywords in the same article. So what happens when you use keyword cupid or tools that does keyword clustering is they will share you like which keywords are similar to what main title, the primary title, and it's always suggested to have these titles in some way like as a heading or stuff these keywords in the article somehow. We don't do it yet, but if you're using keyword chef you can use this feature. These are easy to rank keywords because it has Reddit forums, Apple forums, Microsoft forums on the top. So yeah, all 10 positions are basically forums. And in this one, does free file sync work with OneDrive? So this is like the same domain everywhere. Maybe there's a scope here. We'll see. I'll just send a test post to my new site, which is hosted again on EasyBlog Networks. And one thing that you need to make sure after this update or during this update, what has come to light is do not have your sites in the same search console, and also make sure you have different unique IP addresses, or make sure the sites are not sharing a same footprint, right? Even if you're not subscribing to EasyBlog Networks, you can route your domains through Cloudflare so that it assigns a unique IP to each domain. They are going after all the sites like entire search consoles, anything that your main account is linked with, all the sites are basically gone. Niche site lady is one of the examples. Like she was actually updating her Twitter in real time. One site got hit, two site got hit, now four, and so on. So make sure you have a separate search console or no search console at all, because me and Julian were discussing about this and we have around 150 sites, right? And they have not yet been hit, but it's always safe to be cautious because what we have decided is we will not even add sites to search console anymore. Fuck it. We'll simply submit the sitemaps indexer tools like Giga Indexer or Index Me Now or something, and that's it. So that Google knows like there's a site out there, and we won't be using analytics as well. We'll be simply using Microsoft's Clarity, and we will definitely be adding sites to Bing. Coming to monetization, we have also got four of our sites approved already on Ezoic, so that's a great thing. And it's 12th day now, 4 out of 12 done so far. 10 domains out there are public in all the case studies, but from yesterday onwards, I have stopped sharing the domain names because some sites are doing quite well on Google, and we'll see how it works out. So yeah, I'll send a test post and it should work fine, yeah. And okay guys, a test post has been pushed and it's here. So yeah, I won't be revealing the site URLs here. Even Julian has decided to not make the case studies public now. We'll be sharing a lot of different stuff that we were not able to publicly share every time. And since it's a private mastermind and we are making it very exclusive, like only the guys who have subscribed to the premium plan, which is the highest plan, either monthly or annually to Autoblogging, and then anyone who has subscribed to Jillian Goldie's mastermind, and that's it. It's a very close circle. And also that WhatsApp group, it has disappearing messages on. So if you are not active in the group or you're not paying attention, or if you're joining later, the tips, the suggestions are just lost forever, or the case studies are lost. Maybe we'll share some updates in the coming weeks or so, like some movements and stuff, but again they will be live for 7 days. So it's a great thing. And we are also encouraging the users to share their feedback. share what's happening with their sites and anything new. It's a great close circle, and we are trying to build a very strong community of AI SEO guys like who love to scale up. And yeah, that's it. So the test post works fine. Now I'll bulk generate the articles. It's very easy this time because I'll simply copy paste all these keywords. Let me just make a sheet again because I'm storing all the keywords. So that's it. We have 492 articles and I will publish them all straight away because it has been working really well for me, even on Google and Bing. I'll submit it to Ezoic either today or tomorrow, and hopefully in like 48 hours, they're quite quick, it will be approved. So yeah, I'm building my own empire of sites that will be making passive money for me. What are you up to? See you tomorrow with a new site.